Okay, so I've been having a bit of difficulty with this linishall and getting nice clean grinds, and I think the main reason, two main reasons: one, I need to do more practice, and two, so this is a knife I'm working on. So the problem I'm having is when I'm placing it against the belt, I can't really see the tip up here, so I can't see how much of a gap, or if there is any, between the edge of the knife and the sanding belt. So what I'm going to try and do, and I've heard this has helped some people, is I'm going to try and take this sanding arm off, put it vertically. I might have to switch it over there with the grinding stone, which isn't a big deal, but yeah, so I'm going to pull it apart and try that, and hopefully that'll help me out. Okay, so this has made life a lot easier. So this bolt back here, I just loosen that and I can flip that up vertically. Okay, so you can see now I've got it on vertically, which is good. The only problem is now there's no backing plate here. So I'm thinking I've got some mild steel and aluminium lying around. So I might see if I can just fabricate a quick little table that'll just screw in here where these bolts are, and we'll see how we go. So it's about 50 by 150 mil, which is good because I've got some 50 mil wide mild steel, which should work nicely. Okay, so I've got that plate fitted up. So what I think I'm going to do is weld this onto there. I've just realised it doesn't stick out far enough. So this is going to need to be out to like here. So I'm having a little bit of difficulty here. My initial plan was just to weld that on like that. You can see it's not quite where it needs to be. It probably needs to be out probably a little bit more around there. So what I'm thinking my strategy will be is I'm just going to weld not these pieces but some different pieces on there, make them oversized, and then I'll just cut it and drill it to fit. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty proud of my little creation. So I've just got that little plate there, just some 3mm mild steel there, and then I've got some aluminium square tube that I've made a little arm and a little plate. So there's a little bit of give in the plate, so yeah, I can align that just using that like that. Tighten it off with a spanner. There we go, that's pretty sturdy. So there is a little bit of a gap there, and ideally you want that as thin as possible so that if you're grinding it doesn't slip in and get stuck. But I'll probably at some point in the future just cut a little slot here so I can slide that in and out, just make it easier. Yeah, so that's it for now, and hopefully this will make grinding a bit easier.